Hey, I'm Luke from Phocas Software. When you're looking at a report showing a declining trend, do you want to quickly understand what's happening? Or when you're in a meeting and you have to say, "I'll come back to you," do you wish you could confidently answer questions on the fly? Well, today I'm going to show you how Phocas lets you drill into your data to get super fast answers. Let's imagine that I'm the branch manager of a lighting wholesale company. With so many economic and market changes happening, I need the data to give me confidence that we can continue to hit our sales targets. Here, I can see my branch has 32 declining customers in the last 12 months. To look deeper, I can drill into the detail with a single click. This is where we enter the grid, and it's where you can start slicing and dicing your data. So, I want to understand why these customers are declining and what we can do to reverse this trend. To start, I sort by the customers whose sales have decreased the most over the last year. Let's have a quick look at JL Engineering, who have the most declining sales. To the left, we have dimensions. These are a group of data that you can use to filter the grid. When I select the product class dimension, we see sales by product class for JL Engineering. Sales are down across all product classes, and they've completely stopped buying control products. Let's see what else we learn about this customer. The percentage variance is high on power, and we made good money on it last year. So I'm going to drill into the power product class and take a look at what's happening at the SKU level. I can see they've stopped buying many of our power products. Additionally, there are a few they've started purchasing this year that they hadn't before, and 2 products they've never bought from us. I can share this report with a sales rep, Brandon, who can reach out to his contact at JL Engineering. The information enables Brandon to pitch our new power products and find out why sales have dropped for others. Whether you're the branch manager, CEO, or sales rep out on the road, Phocas Analytics makes it really easy to better understand and improve your business. Are you interested in hearing more about what Phocas Analytics can do for your business? Talk to our team or request a customized demo today.